FreshBooks Cloud Accounting App Review. As an overview for you, FreshBooks is a popular cloud accounting app designed for small businesses and freelancers. It offers a variety of features, including invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, and project management, making it suitable for managing finances without much accounting knowledge. While exploring, I found out 3 key features while I'm at it. That is invoicing and online payments, expense and time tracking, and financial reports and insights. As for number 1 is invoicing and online payments. It's easily create professional invoices, set up recurring billing, and accept online payments through credit cards or PayPal. As for the second is expense and time tracking, it tracks business expenses by uploading receipts and logging billable hours for projects or clients. And last but not the least is financial reports and insights. It generates financial reports like profit and loss statements, tax summaries, and expense reports to monitor business performance. As for the pros of this app, it has easy-to-use interface, great invoicing and payment features, strong expense and time tracking, reliable customer support, and a mobile-friendly, while the cons is it is expensive for some users, limited reporting features, and no built-in payroll integration. FreshBooks is ideal for freelancers, small business owners, and service-based professionals who need easy invoicing, expense tracking, and time management. It's best for those who want a simple, user-friendly accounting solution without deep financial expertise. However, larger businesses or those needing advanced reporting and payroll may find it lacking. Overall, FreshBooks is highly regarded for its ease of use and is ideal for freelancers and small business owners looking for a simple, reliable accounting solution. However, it may not be the best fit for larger businesses with more advanced accounting needs. And I think that was enough review about it. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Feel free to comment your opinion and experience about it. Click like and subscribe as always, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.